Okay, so we have a word problem. We are told that Obama and Mitt Romney received 538 electoral college votes, and Obama received 126 more votes than Romney. So we're supposed to figure out how many of each did each candidate receive. So we start off not knowing Obama's votes, and we don't know Romney's votes. So let's just call those X and Y. But if you add Obama's votes to Romney's votes, there's only 538 available from the Electoral College. Okay? And then we also know something specifically about Obama, which we called X. Obama received 126 more votes than Romney, so Obama is whatever Romney's is, plus 126. Okay? So the reason I went for two equations is because when I started off, there was two things that I didn't know. I didn't know... Ooh, laser pointer. I didn't know Obama's votes, and I didn't know Romney's votes. So if I have two variables, I need to have two equations in order to be able to solve. So here's how I'll solve. I know Obama is Mitt Romney's plus 126. So I'm going to take all this stuff I've circled in red, and I'm going to go back in this equation and replace that letter X with it. Here's that top equation. I just copied it down. I didn't change anything yet. But instead of X, I'm going to put Y in parentheses plus 126, because X is Y plus 126. And I'm just copying the rest down. Nothing changed there. So now solving that equation that I modified, you don't really need the parentheses because there's no number in front of it. So we can just say Y plus 126 plus Y equals 538. And now since we have Y plus Y, it doesn't matter which order you add things. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is the same thing as 1 plus 3 plus 2, which is the same thing as 3 plus 2 plus 1. Doesn't matter which order you add, so I'll rearrange it so the Y's are next to each other. Y plus Y makes 2Y. And I think you guys know what to do from here. You can subtract 126 from both sides. And that makes, I can't do this. I'm making a video. 538 minus 126 makes 412. And this cancels out, so you're left with 2y over here, so you can read the writing on the wall. Y is going to be 206. So if we go back to the original equations that we have, since this told us that y was going to be, what did I say, 206, you can plug this into either of the equations and it'll tell you what x is. Okay, if we use the bottom equation now, you'll see I put 206 in place of y, because we already solved. It's 206. So you add these up, you get 332. So there's Obama's votes. Okay, so now we have both. And again, Romney's was 206.